Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, I have to tell you that if you don't want to damage your USB charging port, you need to use only plastic and soft objects. I suggest using an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, you need to take the brush in your hand and insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.